Okay, Assalamualaikum and every good evening. My name is AKIF SYAKIRIN bin Muhammad ADNAN and I'm from group D.I.Y Carwash in UniMAP. So I will explain the first part, which is introduction and the executive summary. For the executive summary, the project title is D.I.Y Carwash in UniMAP. The second is there are 50 respondents involved in the survey from the students UniMAP. In the proposal also, there are few problems identified from the survey. And then the solution, after we find the solution, the problem that faced by the students, so we come up with a solution to overcome this problem. And then in addition, student also hoping that this project will successfully carry out. And then for the introduction, the service will be available around the UniMAP Residential College and Housing Complex, which is PF1, PF2, Bumita, Wangulu, Sepampat and Unicity. So the main reason of this project to propose is to overcome all the college, can cover all the college, because students have skill in cleaning and washing the vehicles. And then this project also provide the opportunities to work to the students UniMAP. And then one of the big problem we face we find in our survey, which is financial problem that faced by the students. So the solution is we try to provide a good budget to the students to what we call to send their car in the car wash. And then next, the time problem are also faced by the students, which is there are no time to send their car to the car wash because the distance from the campus to the car wash is too far. So there are no time to send their car to send the car to wash. And then finally, this project is very convenient and brings a lot of benefits to all parties. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Farhana. I will continue the presentation with methodology part. The method that we approach is by doing a survey. A survey is a process to obtain a primary data from our respondent. It has an advantage where it is an easiest and fastest way to obtain a data that can be used in our project. There are two parts in methodology, which is sampling and questionnaire. We go first for sampling. We use purposive sampling in our project that is also known as non-probability technique. It is called purposive sampling because the respondent is came from UniMAP that is in different gender, age, faculty, resident and also year of study. For gender, we have male and female. For age, it is from 20 to 30 years old. For faculty, there are 6 faculties that participate in our survey. For resident, there came from PF1, PF2, Bumita, Unicity, Wangulu and also Simpampat. And lastly, for year of study, there is from year 1 to year 4. Next, we move to questionnaire. The objective of doing a questionnaire is to obtain a statistical data that can be categorized as quantitative data. There are 51 respondents that respond to our survey by answering a question that consists of 4 sections, which is A, B, C and D. To complete the questionnaire, we use closed-ended question, which means the question can only be answered by given limited choice answer. Closed-ended question can be divided into 2 types of question, which is dichotomous question and scale question. For dichotomous question, it is the question that can only be answered by choosing either yes or no, while scale question is a question to study the strongness of agree or disagree that chosen by the respondent. This method help much for our group project, which is DIY Carwash.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mohd IZZUDDIN. For my part, I will talk about problem. The term for our project is DIY Carwash. For this project, we have find 4 major problems for our project. Okay, the first problem is lack of carwash nearby Bumita. From the pie chart, we can get majority of students that answer the survey that we made by using Google form. 41% for students vote that Carwash is too far away from the campus. Okay. For the problem 2, students have to wait a long time to wait their turn to wash the car. 33% students agree that they have to wait a long time to their turn to wash the car. Students should value time and not waste it like to get a car wash. Next, problem 3. Problem 3 is expensive car wash service. 15 students neutral about this problem statement, but 14 students agree that car wash service is expensive, and only 5 students disagree with this statement. And lastly, problem 4. Problem 4 is students do not have time to wash their transportation. From the bar chart, we can get 20 students strongly agree that they have not enough time to wash their transportation. This factor may be student is busy with their assignment, project or study. This statement also only 3 students disagree with our problem. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is FARIDUDDIN. From the problem, we propose several solutions for the student by collecting the data from the Google form. First solution is provide the car wash near the campus because there are lack of car wash nearby. By having a car wash near the campus, students can easily go to wash their own car. It also can save their budget, time and petrol. The pie chart show 100% of the students strongly agree to provide the car wash near the campus. Okay, second solution is DIY car wash. Students can wash their own car by providing some washing tools such as water jet, sponge and so on for them to make it easier to wash their own car. Besides, providing some place to wash their car is necessary to prevent from disturbing other cars while they were washing their own car. So, students did not have to wait their turn to wash their car at car wash. Based on this pie chart, shows 82.4% of respondents strongly agree to wash their vehicle by their own or DIY car wash, while 17.6% respondent didn't agree. From the pie chart, majority respondent agreed for the DIY car wash. And last solution is provide washing car service with a lower price. There are some data has been collected to study how many students want a car wash service and what is the suitable price for students to use the car wash service. This pie chart show a percentage of students needed the car wash service. Okay, as we can see, 98% of respondents agreed to have a car wash service, and 2% of respondents didn't agree with that. So, majority of respondents agree with this solution. Meanwhile, this bar chart show the suitable price for car wash service. Based on this bar chart, there are 40 respondents wanted 1 ringgit to 10 ringgit car wash service price, and 11 respondents want 10 ringgit to 20 ringgit for car wash service price. So, the suitable price for car wash service is below than 10 ringgit. Thank you.
The implementation of DIY car wash service has a lot of benefits for UniMAP students. One of the benefits is flexibility. A DIY car wash is very practical for students as they can choose their time to work and plan to wash their transport. This is because students are busy with their assignments and studies where they need a lot of time to bring their transport to the car wash and wait for their transport to finish cleaning. Second, the DIY car wash service offers an affordable price than a car wash in the neighborhood, which can reduce the cost of student expense. Students can save the money when this service is implemented in UniMAP and use the rest of money for other important purposes like purchasing food or printing educational material. Third, this service provides a transport washing service where the team members will collect the transport at student place and return it after washing has been complete. This can further strengthen student relationships and build confidence in UniMAP students to ensure that they care for the property of others. Lastly, the DIY car wash service has the benefits of allowing consumers to keep their vehicles clean on a regular basis. The owner must maintain their vehicle in such a way that he feels comfortable riding it anywhere without being threatened by insects, such as cockroach. If the owner rides in a filthy vehicle, people will look down on him because it is assumed that they are not good for taking care of their own vehicles.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Radzi and I as a leader for this group. Okay, for management part, as we can see, our advisor is our lecturer, that is Miss Abida Hakimi, and I as a leader, I assign my team member in a specific role, which is Siti NURLIANA as a secretary, AINI as a finance, AHMAD SYAKIRIN as project manager, FAIZ IZZUDDIN as a marketing side, and last for FARIDUDDIN as a logistic role. Net for cost. Net, we just estimate cost for one campus only. In this project, we will buy 2 unit portable car wash with a price budget RM80 for per unit, and we can apply sponsor from UniMAP for extra one. Next, car wash shampoo RM399 for 1 gallon. 1 unit vacuum which is RM250. Tire wax RM5 for 1 unit, and last for lease side, which is 1 month for RM50, include electric and water bill from UniMAP. Okay, next is in conclusion. The DIY car wash project at UniMAP campus purpose with the aim to provide car wash nearby with a low cost to help the student. A survey was done for the purpose to know about this project will achieve or not. Almost 51 respondents that was filled up on the questionnaire that consisting by UniMAP student for all campus. The survey was done by questionnaire and total of 21 questions of closed-ended and open-ended being asked. Okay, that's all from my group. Thank you.